First step, say, I am. I feel myself. I am face to face with the universe. Second step, address the universe. Creative universe. Infinite power. I create with you. I am free of fear. I am aware that everything in my life is my responsibility, including this negative situation. I take energy. I breathe in energy. Third step. Please stand confidently. Feel the stability of your position. Stretch your arms forward and breathe in, and as you breathe out, pull the energy into the solar plexus area. It is advisable to repeat the words, I am strong, I am filled with energy, strength, I am filled with fire. The energy of nature enters me. I breathe. I feel the breath. I breathe in the energy. Important point. It will be very good if you hit the ground with your feet. Please do it with me. I feel the power. Breathe actively. The power comes to me. Here it is, inside me. The power. I feel it here in the stomach, in the lower abdomen, in the body. I am ready to act. Then transform the situation. Breathe in. I know there will be a repetition of this situation. I will transform the situation. My laziness. First, I feel the belief in myself that I can do anything. Stop passively waiting for changes. I know the situation will happen again. I will be active. I'll get ready. I'll get ready. I'm getting ready. Fourth step. Open up the universe. So many opportunities. I trust the universe. I believe in myself. The universe will send me opportunities, situations. I will definitely use it. I breathe in new energy, happiness, wisdom, light. I breathe it into myself. The beginning of the practice and the end of the practice are always the same. Please repeat. I am. I feel myself. I am face to face with the universe. Everything will be fine. If you add to this exercise regular yoga, dynamic dance, dynamic meditation, concentration on the image, for example on your individual yantra, if you add it to daily listening to music, group activities, if every time you feel good, you will save your good energy through talismans, through your amulets of power, saying to yourself, there is that light power for me, and every time I turn to my amulet, I will feel this good power. If you do all of these together, then you will certainly have a good result. And you will definitely find your like-minded people. May the force be with you. You will be fine. Write me. I will be in touch with you.